Most of the users have dual boot in their PCs, so to switch between the operating system, bootloader is required. One of the famous bootloader is Clover. So hey guys, my name is Jarvis and in this video I'm gonna install Clover bootloader in my Windows 11. As you can see, I'm using Windows 11. Now let me show you Clover is already installed in my PC or not. So I'm gonna boot my device into the boot menu. As you can see, my system is now booted into boot menu and there is no option for Clover. It means Clover is not yet installed on my device. Only Windows or Ubuntu are showing here. Now I'm gonna boot my device into Windows. So guys, to install Clover bootloader, you need to download this file. I will provide the direct link of this file in the description box. Download this file and extract it. File is now extracted. Open it, and here we have three files. First is EasyUEFI, another is Explorer++, and the first one is Clover. This is the main Clover bootloader file. First I am gonna install EasyUEFI tool. So run this as administrator and keep pressing next to install it. EasyUEFI is now installed. Now you can close this window and open CMD. In CMD, type diskpart, DISKPART and hit enter. It will open the diskpart command prompt. Now you can close this one and here type list disk and hit enter. It will show you the disk in your system. As you can see, disk 0 is my disk where I installed Windows 11. So select disk 0 and now type list volume VOL, and here we have FAT32 partition which is about 100 MB. So you need to select this volume, type SEL VOL1 and hit enter. And now you need to assign any letter to this drive. So I'm gonna assign letter equal to U and hit enter. Now you can close this one also and open that folder again. And here we have the Explorer++. You can run this as administrator. And here, as you can see, disk U. Guys, you cannot access this disk in local file manager. Let me show you. As you can see, it throw error. You cannot access this. You don't have any permission to access this. That's why we are using Explorer++. Now open this, and here we have this EFI file, and these are the boot files. Guys, I recommend you to take a backup of this file. So I'm gonna copy this and paste anywhere you want. You can escape this PCD file, so escape. My backup is now copied, and now open that folder again, Clover folder. Here is the Clovers. Guys, you need to copy this folder, whole folder. So I'm gonna copy this, and you need to paste this folder in the U drive in EFI. So here in EFI, paste Clover bootloader folder here. Bootloader folder is now copied, and now you can close this. Now it's time to run EasyUEFI. So run this, and here it's checking for permission. Click on OK. Now here select manage EFI boot options, and now there are multiple options here, but you need to select create a new entry, and in type you select Linux and other OS, and here type description, type any alphabet you want, and now you need to select this 100 MB partition and tap on browse, tap here, tap on EFI, and here open clover folder and select clover 64/EFI. Click OK and click on OK. As you can see, clover bootloader entry is added. Now we need to shift this to the top. So to shift this, tap on this, move the selected entry up, and now as you can see, it is added to the top. It's time to reboot the system, so I'm gonna reboot my device. So guys, as you can see, my device is now booted into Clover bootloader. So by this way you can install Clover bootloader. Here we have options for Microsoft and another option for Ubuntu, and all the operating system entry will appear here. Now I am gonna restart my computer and boot my computer into the boot option to show bootloader entry is added in the boot menu or not. So as you can see, Clover bootloader entry is added in my boot options, and now I'm gonna hit enter on Clover bootloader and it will boot my device into the Clover. So as you can see, Clover bootloader is successfully installed on my PC. Now I'm gonna boot my system into Windows from Clover. So my system is now booted. Now I am gonna shut down my computer. Guys, in some case boot entry is not added at the top, so you need to add it manually. So I am gonna reboot my computer into the BIOS option. So I am gonna boot it. And guys, here we have security. Go to boot option, and here you need to select this Clover bootloader to the top. You can select this by pressing F5 or F6 like this. You can add it to top, and now to save changes press F10 and hit enter. Now your system will boot it into the Clover bootloader. So guys, by this way you can easily install Clover bootloader in your Windows 11. And guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching Tech Jarvis.